In a small village lived a smart boy named Amit. He was intelligent, but had one big problem. He could never fully concentrate. Whenever he tried to study, his mind would wander to games or his mobile phone. His thoughts would jump around like a butterfly flitting from flower to flower. Amit's father often told him, "Son, your mind is like a wild horse. Until you learn to control it, it will lead you nowhere. But if you discipline your mind, your destination will come to meet you." But Amit didn't take these words seriously. One day, a wise old teacher known as Guruji came to the village. Guruji was famous for helping young minds focus and achieve success. Amit's father took him to meet Guruji and explained Amit's problem. Guruji smiled and gave Amit a small glass of water. "Take this glass and walk around my garden," he said, "but be careful not to spill a single drop." Amit thought, "This is easy." But as soon as he started walking, the chirping birds, rustling leaves, and children laughing nearby distracted him. He looked away several times and water spilled on the ground. When Amit returned, Guruji asked, "Why did you spill so much water?" "I couldn't keep my focus," Amit said. "The noise around me kept distracting me." Guruji explained, "The water in this glass is like your goal, and your mind is what holds it steady." The distractions of life are always around, trying to pull your attention away. If you can't control your mind, you will lose sight of your dreams. Amit finally understood. He decided to start training his mind. From that day, Amit made small but important changes. He woke up at the same time every morning, limited his phone use, and gave full attention to every task. He also practiced meditation each day to calm and steady his mind. In the beginning, it was not easy. His mind wandered often, but he kept bringing it back. Slowly, his focus improved, his memory became sharper, and his grades started to rise. A year later, a national competition was held. Students had to solve tough questions within a limited time. Many panicked, but Amit remembered Guruji's lesson. He calmly worked through one question at a time, just like holding the glass of water. When the results came, Amit was the winner. The whole village celebrated, and Guruji smiled with pride. Amit had proved that a disciplined mind is as powerful as talent or luck. If even a little spark of motivation has been lit in you today, don't let it fade. Like this video, share this story with someone who needs hope, and subscribe to stay connected on this journey of strength and wisdom. Remember, the first step to success is learning to control your mind. Start your journey today.